Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board, and here I've worked it out and I tried to explain it. So you posted this question, and you want to use quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. Value of A is 3, it's always coefficient of squared term. Value of B is 5, coefficient of linear term, and C is always the constant 4. So here's the quadratic formula, and you substitute those values in, and I think you are doing okay at this point. B's 5, be careful with the sign, so you put B in these two places, minus 4A, A is 3, and C is 4, over 2A. So you put the numbers in, now you want to crunch the numbers here. So it's negative 5, it'll be 25, you multiply these, and that's a minus 48, 2 times 3 is 6. And so, if I subtract those numbers, I get a negative 23, square root of negative gives you I, square root of positive 23. So then I put square root of 23 in the calculator, and I round to 3 places here. I get 4.796. And then I write this is a plus or minus, so I write it out the long way. Here's the plus one, here's the minus one. And then I divide each of these by 6. If you put that in the calculator and they, round to nearest hundredths, what the computer says, and then I round that to nearest hundredths also. And I obtain these two answers. I hope this helps.